Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this tutorial, we will see how we can apply MongoDB aggregation. So for that, we have here my database and then we have created one collection user. In this collection, we don't have data right now. So let's get some JSON data from the internet. So we will write dummy REST API. And then once you will see the first option, you can click here JSON placeholder, and from here we can get some dummy data. So let's take users data and we will copy this, open MongoDB, click on add, then here we have insert document. Now we will select all, delete this and then paste the data that we have copied. After that we can simply insert it. So now here we can see we have now these documents available here. So now we will perform the aggregation on this data. So let's click on aggregation tab. So here we can see we have aggregation. We can click here. By default it will select the collection data and it will show you here. So we have total 10 records available, 10 documents available in this collection, user collection, and you will see all the documents one by one at this place. Now suppose if I want to search, so suppose here we have website and then website name .org, .net, .info and so on, .biz. We have lots of different kind of websites. So if I want to search how many records, search the records which is having org. So for that what we will do, we will click on add a stage and then we can select from here the options match, and using this match command we can filter the data. So let's say I want to search the name. If you have the exact name, for example you want to write a username colon, let's say if I write Bret, then it will only show data which is exactly matching the text that you have given. Apart that, you can also apply here regular expression. So for regular expression what we will do, we'll write here new. So new regular expression, and here we can give the source and then option. So let's say if you want to search org, so let's say I write .org, then we can search here, we can add here option. So option is basically optional. If you don't want to include, it's up to you, and then you will get the data from here. Right, so we have to write here $regular regex and then colon this one. So $regex and then new regular expression org. Right, so as of now you can see we have given here username regex new regular expression.org. That means in this username we don't have org text. So I will write here website. Once you will write website, you can see all the records which is having, so only 2 documents which is having .org. Now let's say if you will enter capital letter org, then you will not see any document, and for that we have the other option. If you will write I is used to ignore case. Whether you will write a small case or upper case, that doesn't matter. It will match the data and will show you here. So